Yes, sir. My question is kind of a scary question.
Okay.
In today's world, if you have a pistol in your home, and for self-defense purposes,
Right.
like I just did recently, I've heard a lot of stories about the legality on what you can do with that pistol in your own home to defend yourself. You hear stories about, if someone breaks in your home, you can use the pistol to defend yourself. You don't use it if they're out in the front yard, this kind of stuff.
Sure.
And I guess my question is, do you know the laws? Seeing that you're a lawyer, of course.
Thank you, Larry.
What are you? I was going to call the sheriff's department actually Monday, but I was watching the news and I said, "Heck, I'm going to ask this man."
Well, Larry,
I'm glad you did.
Yeah, we're glad you're with
and
us here on a Saturday night.
The sheriff and I both know the answer to this question, Larry, and I'm
What's the
happy
word?
to provide it. First of all, let me kind of exercise caution. Of course, you certainly have a right to own a pistol, and I'm happy for you to have one. And you do have the right to defend yourself. Absolutely, if someone breaks into your home, if you're in fear of mortal danger, you absolutely can defend yourself. But in these particular times, Larry, and particularly with things going on as we speak, I urge everyone to exercise caution. If you're worried about something, always take the least violent approach, right? Call the police, call the sheriff, things like that. Don't come out, don't lead with the pistol, I hope. But you were kind of on the right track. If someone does break in your home, you have the right to defend property and your life and liberty, so to speak. You can defend yourself in Mississippi. So yes, you can protect yourself. Absolutely. It's a constitutional right, and you're welcome to it.
Matthew, let me expand a little bit for Larry here, because
Yeah.
you mentioned, so I think everybody feels pretty good about inside your home, inside your
Right.
four walls.
Right.
When it extends out of your home, God forbid something like that was to occur, are those same rights in play in your yard? And then I'll take it a little further into your street. Where does, there's boundaries for everything. Where does that go?
There is, and you have the right, like for example, in your car, you have the right if you feel that you are in subjective test, if you feel that you are in danger. But let me just say, Kenny, always be avail yourself of the retreat, you know what I mean?
Right.
The whole stand your ground thing, just because you can doesn't mean maybe you should.
I see.
And so those things. So, those laws have been expanded. You probably heard, Larry, the Castle Doctrine, things like that. That's a name that gets tossed out quite a bit. Right. So, and we probably need to do a gun show. We've kind of talked about doing
I think it's a great idea for this summer.
We should do one and kind of really outline what the do's and the don'ts and the
Go
rules.
over the state statutes, the whole bit.
Absolutely, and kind of make that clear, because we want people, knowledge is power, and we want people to know what the rules are and what they can and cannot do. But absolutely, yeah. But it does extend beyond your home. You can protect your property beyond your home. It doesn't just, it's not relegated just inside your home. So you can protect yourself in your yard and also in your vehicle. It applies as well. But as I said, a very important topic, life and limb, so to speak, hanging the balance on this. So we have discussed this for a couple of years. And there you just
put it down.
Me. We are going to do a gun show this summer, and keep in touch. You can call in. We'll take you again.
I just want to make it sure, Matt. When you say gun show, we're going to be talking the topic. We're not going to have anything.
No,
we don't have anything for sale.
No,
we're not going to have anything. Not one of those gun shows. We'll leave that to the Coliseum.